Right now we're going to start a drilling operation. Just do a little center drill, little 1/8 guy. Cutting into the part, .125. Paying attention. Had the X offset wrong on the other one, so it took off a bunch of too much meat on one side and didn't take anything off the other.
The X?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh, the X? We did it.
I think I did something wrong. I don't know what I did. I tried to get funky where I was like, I thought maybe I could do arithmetic in there. So I typed in that 14212 and then I typed minus 89451 and it just brought me back to that screen. So I think I maybe messed something up there. This is why I screwed up the last time because I didn't go full depth on those. But now that I see the coolant's falling through the hole, yeah. And then a little touch. We'll run these 2 holes out, and then those four holes are going to be rigid tapped. And I went a little extra on the operation. So I think I was like the first time around I had it going to like 500 thou. So I brought it to 600 thou.
The depth?
Yeah, the depth for the roll tapping. Okay, and this should be the roll tap off now. Okay, so if you guys was watching on the Cannibal Industries CNC video number 5, I think it was 4 or 5, we were running the same part, snapped off tap. So hopefully I don't snap it off this time, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to. That sounded real good and quiet. Wow, spindle load. There's actually some spindle load coming up there. We're creeping up to like 50% on the spindle load for that.
On the load?
Yeah. That's it.
Because it's just when it fires up.
Maybe. We're also struggling for amperage too.
Right.
That should be it there. I think that part's... Now the only thing I have to do now is I got to flip the part over, spin the back. All right.